It's your boy Massmoney, and man, we're officially in a bear market, folks. This is crazy. The SPY is down 10%. We're pretty much in a bear market. I knew this was gonna happen. You know, a lot of these stocks like way overvalued since the pandemic. Now everything's coming back down to its intrinsic value. You know, you got all these, but pretty much like stocks like AMD. Like AMD was ran up a lot the past year or so, and now it's like going back into the 90s and where it used to be like pre-pandemic level. You know, I'll show you guys some of this. Like Nvidia is going down. I think Nvidia might go down to like probably like 150. I could be wrong. It could stop here and reverse here and go back up. But if you bought Nvidia around 250 and stuff, oh god, you ain't gonna see that for a while. It's just not looking good, folks, right now. But if you're new to investing, it's actually a good time to invest. Also, if you check the link in my description, I got there's a app called Acorn. It's pretty easy to use, and mostly like they pick like good stocks for you, like index funds that where you can invest, and then you don't have to worry about waking up one night and you're wiped out because like a lot of those companies, like you're investing in like thousands of companies when you invest in those ETFs. Like it has the VOO in there, VOO, and I've been investing on there, so I invest on Robinhood, and then I got the Acorn, so that's something you guys should consider. But yeah, I was looking at this article, the S&P 500. It's explaining, this is like the phase one of the bear market and what's to come. So there's a link, website up here if you guys want to go check it out to read more into it. But yeah, it's not looking good. People are freaking out. But like what they say, like people are fearful. That's the time you're supposed to be buying. I mean, people are greedy. That's when you're supposed to be like selling, selling your stocks. So, but yeah, I'll just give you guys a little brief update. Nothing's really changed much. So, I haven't been buying any calls or anything like that or puts. I'm just chilling right now. I'm just wondering like how much further can the market go down? You know, like we need like a small little turnaround or something so people can make some type of money going upwards. But right now, it's just the bears. The bears got the market, man. Anyways, if it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Peace out, folks. I'll see you in the next video.